No liquid foundation, no concealer. This is how the makeup is going to look. And for daily makeup, we don't need those things. I'm going to start with a moisturizer. Moisturizing your face is always very important before makeup because makeup on dry skin doesn't look nice, especially when we're using a powder foundation. Use your powder foundation all over and it's easy to touch up later and perfect for beginners. Take a neutral eyeshadow and put it all over your upper eyelid. This step will contour your eyes and give it a nice dimension. Just put it all over your eyes, take it up to the crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, go further up. Now I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow, a basic brown eyeshadow, and line my eyes. It won't look dramatic, yet it'll look lined. People think eyelining means always taking a black liquid eyeliner. No, it's literally lining your eyes and it's up to you how dramatic you want it or how subtle you want it. In my case, I like it subtle. Now just take a black kajal or a kohl and put it on your waterline. If you want to bring it all the way in, go for it, but I like it just a little bit. Use a pencil brush or a smudge brush of any brand and just smudge it out. Pencil brushes are available widely in many different brands. This one is from an eyeshadow palette. Complete your eye makeup with a mascara. Don't be afraid of the removal, just use a baby oil or a coconut oil, soften it and use wet wipes. Here I'm just sharing easy techniques of makeup. Please use brands of your choice. I'm just using my personal makeup, not trying to recommend anything. For example, if I use a particular brand of a brown eyeshadow, you can use any brand of your choice. But if you want to use the same products as me, I've captioned them in the video during application. And you can just find them on Nykaa, Tira Beauty, Amazon or Sephora. I don't share links because they expire. Anyway, set your eyebrows with a gel so that they stay in place. I prefer always priming my lips with a nude lip liner. That way my lipstick stays longer. Then I'm going to use a darker lip liner that's going to go with my lipstick. I'm using a neutral brown lipstick. Please use a lipstick of your choice or a gloss of your choice. It could be any shade. I always complete my makeup with a blush because I'm not going to contour here. If you see the angle in which I'm using the blush, that itself will contour your face. I'm using a cream blush on because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, go for a powder formula. My makeup is done. Just touch up your powder foundation and you're good to go. Hope you're finding my videos helpful. Do subscribe if you're on YouTube and do follow if it's Facebook. If you're watching this on YouTube, do go through the description box, and if this is Facebook, do check out the comments section. Till next time, I'll see you with a very easy look. Take care.